There is a breaking report coming from Germany. Report says Tesla Giga Berlin team withdraws from Germany. So far, Tesla has shown a high pace in the preparation for its Gigafactory in Germany known as Giga Berlin. After all, the factory in Grünheide in Brandenburg is to produce electric cars by the summer of 2021. The first legal problems with opponents of the Gigafactory project were in Tesla's favor, but now the ongoing virus could slow down the ambitious plans of Tesla. According to a report by the Automobilwoche, which is a leading German automobile news website, Tesla has brought almost its entire Giga team back to the United States because of the ongoing virus. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Before I tell you the details of Tesla employees withdrawing from Germany, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified when I report the next story about Tesla and Giga Berlin. Please also like this video to show your appreciation of the people who work very hard to help to bring these reports to you from Germany. Because I'm also going to tell you in a moment what they say and what they saw on site of the Gigafactory today, just a few hours ago. Most of the Tesla team left. At first, nothing was known about the further background of this decision. As reported by the Automobilwoche, it affects the majority, quote-unquote, majority of all Tesla employees involved in German Gigafactory. We're assuming that these are the US employees, not the local German employees. The magazine, the Automobilwoche, writes about 30 Americans who are now on their way back home. The source writes, without citing source. You know that the travel from Europe has been suspended to United States for 30 days. The impact this will have on further work in Grünheide cannot yet be estimated or determined. Tesla had given no information about it whatsoever. It seems certain that from now on, Tesla will largely steer the project directly from the United States, from far away. Last December, Tesla Mag.de learned from informed circles that no German employees were involved in the project of Giga Berlin. In the future, the project management delegated from Tesla's home country could act from there instead of what appears to be on-site. Although the problems with time difference and lack of direct contact may arise, these are natural problems, which may have been the reason for the posting, anyway beforehand. Will Tesla boss come anyway? You know that we're expecting the groundbreaking. Now, will Elon Musk come anyway? We don't know. Companies on behalf of Tesla in Grünheide are currently leveling the ground for the factory building, which was approved ahead of schedule on this Monday. We reported about this and I'm about to show you some pictures of how the leveling goes and where do they start. To do this, the stumps of the trees are cleared in February and are removed. And an old mountain of rubble, which I've talked about a lot, is being removed. Some trees had to stand still for the time being because bats are suspected to be hibernating and small areas are blocked off with ant hills and must not yet be leveled. Now, just moments ago, I spoke with my friend Tobias, who has been commenting here, sending information from Giga Berlin site, and he said he mainly saw fencing for reptiles and leveling the ground. I quote Tobias, other than leveling and the ongoing lizard fence work, there hasn't been too much interesting stuff today. They were still removing and shredding the roots. As for leveling, it seems like they are digging the dirt from the middle and bringing it to the north of the site. This is very interesting. So they are starting the leveling not from the corners, but from the middle and bringing the dirt to the northern side. I don't know why. I also asked Tobias if he saw any slowdown on the Giga Berlin work because of Tesla employees withdrawing back to United States. He says, here's what he said. He said, I am aware of that report, Tesla team leaving Germany. I know that in the Gigafactory team are people from the United States, the Netherlands, and Germany, whom have been involved in other gigafactories as well, working in other gigafactories at the same stage. So I guess, he says, it's not a huge problem to continue work without the US team. And the work is done by German companies anyway. I wrote that Aricon is doing the construction and Minyard is doing the electric work. It didn't seem, he says he didn't see any slowdowns. There was much more activity on the site today than on Monday. So on March 18, there will be a discussion of objections from citizens and associations against Tesla's German Gigafactory project. The mayor of Grünheide expects the official start of construction by the end of the month, which Elon Musk has also announced if he does not cancel the trip due to the illness. He has announced that he will attend as well. Now, this leaves us with a lot of information. So what we have today so far, we have the leveling has started. We have trees are cut in the Gigafactory. Leveling of ground has started. They are doing the leveling from the middle of the ground, pushing it to the north. And then all of a sudden, my other friends also, like Jürgen, also sent me a report saying that on his Twitter page that there is an active fencing, very active, nicely done fences to try to protect lizards or any other species that may be there. And so this active fencing is going on. And but despite this report, which actually came as a shock to me, but it shouldn't have, because we know that yesterday it was announced that a lot of travel has been suspended from Europe to United States. So maybe this was abrupt, that the Tesla employees in Germany, they don't know how long they can stay in Germany. They don't know when they will be able to come to the United States in case travel restrictions are extended. So it is not a surprise in that regard that all of a sudden in Tesla, decision has been made to bring the US employees, US project managers and directors, fly them back to United States. We know that while there is travel restrictions from continental Europe, there is no travel restrictions from United Kingdom. But despite all of this, Tobias told me that there has been more activity in Giga Berlin's construction site, building the Gigafactory today than on Monday. Normally, you would expect that Monday is starting the active work, and then kind of during the week it's kind of slow down and winds it down toward Friday. But Tobias says there has been more activity today because he goes there almost every day. We have a couple of people who are very active on Twitter. They go to the site. Most of them live in Berlin. They go to the Gigafactory site almost daily, and one of them is on the way to work and make pictures, make videos, and post on Twitter and send it to me, which I have been sharing with you, with our subscribers. So this is the situation right now. And there has been more activity today, and it seems that maybe there is some rush to finish this because just an hour ago, my friend Jürgen posted something, an area in the leveled area where they are making a lot of marks, and Jürgen suspected that this may actually be the place where the actual construction of the structure will begin and rise up. I don't know, but we'll see. Well, let us know what you think. Let's continue the discussion in the comments as we always do. Thanks for watching, and if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload our next story. In fact, I may do another Giga Berlin update later today discussing that structure being built and markings that are being surveyed, the area and markings are done. And also please like this video to show your appreciation of all the people like Tobias, Jürgen, Emil Senkel, and Albrecht that and Kaspar, who daily tweet from Giga Berlin site and bring us latest information. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. I may be able to put some pictures at the end of this, my talking of what was happening today in the leveling and so on. Have a blessed day and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for sharing it with friends.